Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to remove your headphones Moto Buds Plus from the application. So as you can see, I have connecting my headphones to the application. Now I should hide it. Open settings, connected devices, now click on settings icon here and then forget device. Now you can hide the settings and close the case. Open the application and right here it said that it's disconnecting, but if we go in here we can see that we have no devices, and if I open it again, as you can see, I am just remove it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!